This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable coffee cup lids, specifically these Restpresso coffee cup lids. They fit 8, 12, 16, and 20 ounce cups. And you can see we have some fun colors here, the midnight blue, red, and tangerine. The lids are 3.6 inches in diameter, and you want to check the listing options for the compatible cups that they're available for. And there's additional colors available in both the lids and the cups. They have a really nice, secure, snug fit on those cups to really help prevent leaks and spills, which is especially fantastic when you're talking about hot beverages. And you can see they feature a nice elevated rim with that little drinking spout there. And then they also have a nice vent at the back, and that's going to help create a nice flow of liquids for an even, smooth sip for your customers. So it's going to be a nice, enjoyable drinking experience. They come in lots of fun color options that mean that between the lids and the cups, there's kind of endless colorways to mix and match, which is fantastic for reinforcing branding for companies or even matching events. These are going to be great for coffee shops, for stocking your office break room, for hot beverage service at corporate events and meetings, at catered functions, to use by bakeries or any establishment that serves hot drinks to go.